With the launch of the latest 800 chipset, MSI introduces the new ESA BIOS architecture in its latest motherboards. This update brings handy new hardware monitoring features which improve the user experience quite a bit. I will introduce the following features in this video. First off, you can access the hardware monitor whether in BIOS Easy or Advanced mode. The new ESA BIOS allows you to customize your fan curve with up to 7 adjustable nodes. Once Smart Fan mode is enabled, you can drag nodes to adjust the curve directly, or enter specific temperature and RPM values using the Edit and Plus buttons. The Plus button will disappear after the 7th node, which should offer sufficient customization and intuitive control to even newbie PC users. If you're not into setting different fan curve for each and every system fan, you can also utilize the new group settings to apply the same fan settings like fan curve, fan mode, or a step up and step down time to all the fans belong to the same group. Remember that you need to add the fans into the same group first, then apply the settings. Keep in mind that flushing the BIOS or clearing the CMOS will reset all BIOS settings, which includes fan configurations. You can use the OC profile feature to save your fan profile to the BIOS ROM or USB flash drive. After clearing the CMOS, you can reload it with just one click. We have another video that covered some old features from the previous BIOS architecture. Click on next video if you're interested.